So you guys, we're gonna remove basically this. We're gonna remove this and paint it right now. We're gonna remove this. We already took off the bumper strip because I just got the truck detailed and I want to detail the bumper as well. Then these holes right here were the license plate bolts, also down there as well. So first thing first, we gotta take off this grill. To do so, we're gonna have to take out this bolt. This bolt, and then there's a bolt right here in the middle as well, underneath there as well. One sec, let me see. Yeah, underneath there. I don't know. Another bolt underneath there, and then you're gonna have to take these off right here to take this light off. It's attached to the grill. You gotta I'm gonna take her off real quick right now so we can get her painted. Alright, you guys, I got this removed. And so what you want to do to take these off is you're just gonna want to turn and they'll pop off. And then you're gonna want to pop those off and put the new ones in. And I'm still taking the rest of the bolts off to get this light off. What you need to do is remove that bolt, that bolt, that bolt, and that bolt, and this should come off. Took them all off. So to take off these, all you're gonna want to do is turn and pull as well. And remember not to touch them with your fingers, because touching them with your hands makes them go out even faster. So we got some parts here from LMC Truck and from Headlight Revolution 2 as well. I just did a video on these. If you haven't seen the video, go check them out. I just did a video on these for my Z, and now I really like them, so now I'm about to put them on the truck. Either way, got these, and then this part right here. You guys can see I already opened it, but this is the plastic for the bumper in the truck. It was packaged nicely from the company. So this is what we got. We got that bumper, the bumper strip, and we also got a new license plate bracket for the truck. Then these are the lights, the headlights. These are the come package, you guys. I think these are the bottom ones. There you go, you guys. These are from the turn signals. And I'm guessing these are the headlights. And also, I got some amber bolts as well. And these are the lights. That's basically it, you guys. Everything that came in here. Oh, I got also a new logo. I got this in chrome. That's the part number right there. I think it's gonna look very good. So these are the other headlights. That's how they come packaged. Comes with the whole bracket as well. So these are the other lights. This is how they come. They already come with bulbs. So yeah, that's it, you guys. Now let's go put on these new parts on. Alright, since I have the headlight out, I'm gonna put the LED on. Let's take this one off. That comes with it. All you wanna do is turn it, pop it out. Save that one for later. And then you can just put this in there. Turn, and then turn, and it's on. And then also, if you need to, you could put this adapter on there as well. So let's put them on and see how they look. So I've been painting it. I already did like 2 coats. I still need like 1 more coat. And then she's ready to get put back on. I went ahead and put on the new plastic strap, bumper, then the new license plate bracket. Took off all the amber bolts, about to put new ones. As you guys can tell, there's a new light with the LEDs. Both there, both there, both there. And I just finished painting. About to put her on, see how it looks. There it is, you guys. End result. I think it came out clean.